In this video, we'll guide you through the order process of Solargraf's permit set and stamp services. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access and complete the Solargraf permit set order form, confirm layout, materials, order details, and select stamps, submit supporting documents, photos, comments, and revisions. First, start with the complete design. For this demonstration, I'm going to open an existing project. To access the order form, simply click Get Permit Set. You'll be prompted with the disclaimer to remind you to submit permits only for projects that have been signed by the homeowner. Once the proposal is signed, you'll choose the appropriate proposal option to move forward with. In this case, I'll select option 1 with battery, as that's the agreed upon option. Click Start to begin the permit order. The first step in the order form is to confirm your layout. If the design looks good, you can continue. If you need to make changes, head back into the design tool and make adjustments. Next, specify the key location of components. You'll need to specify where the main service panel is and the utility meter. For this example, the utility meter and the main service panel are on the garage wall. I'll place them in my image. Next, choose the service entrance type. Choose from options like all-in-one, detached, or adjacent near. I'll select all-in-one for this project. Choose the interconnection tie-in method. For this example, I'll select PV breaker. When a battery is added, we will need to specify if we are adding a new battery system and whether it is a whole home backup, partial home backup, or grid tied. Define the battery system location. It can be near the MSP and utility meter, inside or outside the garage wall. If applicable, check off if you will be running a wire through the attic and if it's a carport installation. Once everything looks good, we can proceed to the next step. Confirm all materials used in your installation. If any materials are missing or need updating, you'll have to head back into the design tool or your company settings to add new materials from the Solargraf database. Panel and inverter details will be pulled from the design. Be sure to select the roof type. Then select the appropriate attachment and racking details. Choose the model from your list from your company settings. Specify the quantities, example 6 racks for 24 panels, and choose the attachments, ensuring to pick the correct model. Next, fill in the structural information, such as the rafter and truss details. Input the size and spacing. Upload any attic photos showing rafters or truss. If installing a new battery system, the configuration will sync with Solargraf's battery design tool. Enter the details of your new or existing MSP and upload the corresponding photos. Fill in the sub-panel details if necessary and select if you are installing a PV performance meter if necessary. Lastly, add any other materials on the right. Once your layout and materials are confirmed, it's time for order details. Customer information such as name, email, and phone number will automatically populate if entered in already. Choose the jurisdiction for your project. Solargraf will suggest options. You can search manually. Make sure your contractor and electrical license number are added. If you need to upload any additional permit files, you can do so here as well. Next, if you need structural review and stamps and electrical review and stamps, you can specify here. You can also specify if you need wet stamps. Now that you've added stamps, it's time to submit your permit order. Review your permit set. The standard permit set includes important documents like the title page, roof plan, single line diagram, and equipment specs. If there's any specific information for the design team, add it in the comment section. For example, you might need to provide details about the utility meter or request the battery spec sheet. Double check the total cost of your permit, including any stamps and additional services. It's crucial that you read the disclaimer carefully. ensuring the design, layout, and materials are accurate. This helps avoid delays in the process. Once you're confident everything is correct, accept the terms and conditions and click submit. After submitting, you may receive a revision request if anything is missing or needs correction. You'll receive a notification under System Notifications about the status of your permit. If there's an issue, it will indicate rejected, along with the reason. After reviewing the designer's notes, click Fix Issues. Go through the order form again and ensure all of the details are accurate. After making updates, upload any necessary photos and documents and submit the revision. By making sure all of the information is correct the first time, you'll minimize the need for revisions. Once your order is submitted and all of the revisions are addressed, you'll receive a permit set that includes all necessary documentation for your solar installation. Thanks for watching.